Yeah, so first of all, congratulations to all of you and for this grand home, and thanks to you for giving us the opportunity to design and build this beautiful home for you. So my
Thank
first
you,
question,
sir. Thank you, ma'am, for this lovely interiors. Thank you.
and my first question to you, Rupa, is which is the best place in the home for you except kitchen? Don't say it is kitchen, but apart from kitchen, which is the best place?
Apart from kitchen, I like this area where my mandir is also set and where my dining space is set. It goes so well, and the space behind the dining space is something which I never thought of, and which is a unique thing what Sarika ma'am has given. Hats off to her creativity. Very nice. This is my favorite.
Thank you. So Advik, what do you like the most apart from your room and apart from your logo? Which is the other area that you liked in the home?
Can talk about you.
Yeah. Then we go to your room.
My favorite is the place in the master bedroom, the
Okay.
sitting place. It has a nice scenery and all. So it is a very calming place, soothing place.
Very good. Very good.
And how about your?
My room is, so I like the most the study table, the L-shaped study table, the extendable study table. There is ample amount of space to study and work.
Good. And what about the logo? Did we make it right?
Yes, it is definitely fantastic. So it's very attractive and eye-catching.
Very good. But the design was given by you, right? He gave the design, no?
Yeah, he made the design. But
Yeah.
the thing is, we were expecting wallpaper, but instead of that, the backlit is awesome
Yeah.
creativity. And thanks for it. Thank you.
Yeah.
You have highlighted his logo.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that logo about?
Logo is shining like your future.
So what is the logo about? Actually, I was not
So
aware.
the logo is of my YouTube channel.
Acha.
AS Robotics.
AS Robotics.
So my son is into robotics, and let us see if we can make some wonders over there.
Okay, good. All the best.
Thank you.
May this home bring all the success that you want in your robotics field.
Career, yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Now coming to Prakash. How's the bar?
Excellent.
So when are we parting?
Yeah, you're welcome anytime.
Yeah, good. Good. So what did you like the most?
This area,
Okay, very
drawing
good.
room area and the TV unit. It's very beautiful. The exotic marble actually really given a very beautiful look to this drawing room.
Okay. And what did you like the most about our team? So
Your team, I found they are dedicated. They listen. They never back answer, and if they are not picking up, they will they'll message that they are busy and they'll call back. So they were approachable. This is what I like.
yeah, thanks for saying that.
Yeah. Thank you.
Rupa and hi both of you.
Hello.
So see, what I felt about this home is that though it's a compact home, you really wanted to have it Vastu friendly,
Yeah.
isn't it? And there were some challenges with respect to space, with respect to color. Okay, so I would want you to answer that have we
Delivered.
satisfied you for the requirements that you had? Are you happy with the result? And
Very
what were the
much.
challenges?
Very much.
What you felt when you saw this 750 square feet home?
Yeah, the thing is, first when we saw this, we were obviously little disappointed because my living area was not as per Vastu. Because TV unit was supposed to be here and sitting was supposed to be there, which was totally against Vastu. And I have been following Vastu for many years, so I need not approach my consultant for it. But then I myself told my husband, no, I am not going to sit there and watch TV. I want it the other way. So this was the biggest challenge for me compared to other rooms. And
Mandir.
Mandir, yeah, Mandir was the second one because that is most auspicious place and that is coming in our entrance.
Yeah.
So these two things I wanted very appropriately done, and hats off to you for bringing such a exotic, and I don't know how to express this. I'm actually spellbound, with the creativity what you have
How
done.
many marks out of 100?
This is 100 on 100. 100 on 100. Seriously.
Thank you.
Seriously.
Thank you.
So this is what has made me more to go for SK. And so this marvelous piece has won my heart.
Yeah.
actually.
That was our find together, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then how you found us?
Yeah, actually, I was going through many videos for my interiors. I came across your videos where you were highlighting on that love storage. That is what impressed me. And your wall-to-wall जो coverage होता है, that is awesome. That brings actually a greater look to the room, you know. So
Don't
that,
finish half the way.
हाँ.
Yeah.
In fact.
Yeah.
In fact, the last thing when you visited last week, this was the thing you highlighted that this is not complete wall to wall, and you got it done last moment.
Yeah.
This is what I appreciate
Yeah.
There's a what difference we observed
between others and you.
What is the difference?
Wall to wall coverage.
Okay, the
yeah,
small aspects about the design.
designing part.
That makes
yeah.
difference. Yeah, there are a lot of things like though we don't regularly come or visit this thing, but then while designing, you know, this is something which is going to make some difference. So I was telling in my video also, since this was the highlighter of the room, we made sure that there are not other focal points.
Right.
Because of that, this is getting highlighted.
Agreed.
Yeah, and what about your room? Like, and how much was the similarity between 3D and the actual?
With regards to my room, 3D and actual is 200% as he is saying. And what I like most in my room is the sitting area. The way you have converted into storage, sitting, and
All your storage
comfort-
requirements are
everything is
fulfilled.
covered. Actually, yeah.
More than enough.
Now we are in a dilemma. अभी चीजें लेनी पड़ेगी to cover it, to fill it. Exactly. And one more thing, you know, one of your visit May, I want to thank you for your visits. You know, you have been visiting us, and that makes a difference because your angle is not what we or the others can find out. So in one of the visits, you just saw the table and he said, this is not as per the measurement and get it reduced or something like that.
Yeah.
So next time when I went to my team, I said, see, this is not okay. You have to get this thing. And I thought of you and me.
So you were the boss there.
So I said, this makes a difference if I come and visit you, know. So I just tried to, you know, recollect that. ये मेरे साथ हुआ था, मैंने याद कर दिया वो.
I also want to, like, we also want to thank you for being awesome client because all clients are different and you were very helpful and understanding in all the terms. And as you already said, we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
For all your future. And thank you
And
so
we are
much.
there for any.
Yeah, obviously.
Sure. We will definitely come.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
And that's something that you can.
And this is just a starting of a relationship, not the end.
Yeah, definitely.
That's
I
what we
think.
believe in.
And that is why we are family, you know. We are,
All clients are, you know, close to us. So that's what we want to carry.
yeah, that makes a difference, actually. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.